Manila and we are in the biggest IKEA in the whole entire world. It is absolutely massive, and yeah, we're just gonna have a look around. We're gonna try the famous meatballs, so come with us and see what we get up to in the biggest IKEA.
IKEA always starts with a good old showroom.
I'm literally obsessed with IKEA, like, and this is the biggest. We didn't even realise until someone told us that we happened to be in Manila and it's the biggest, and we thought we've got to come here. So here we are. We cannot wait to have a look around. So the biggest IKEA here in Manila opened in 2021 and it is 700,000 square meters. That's pretty big, right?
Huge.
That is pretty big. So it might take us some time to get around this, and then we are very excited to try out the meatballs and everything, the iconic IKEA meatballs and whatever other food they have to offer, because apparently it's meant to be good. Dear ma'am and sir, why is this 700,000 feet square? It's just too big to get around in one day.
Who poos with shorts on?
Excuse me, you're invading my privacy.
Right, me and Chloe are on the hunt to find the most comfiest sofa we can find.
Oh wow.
You good?
Yeah.
To be fair, IKEA sofas are pretty good quality.
This is really comfy.
Yeah?
It is pretty comfy, not gonna lie.
Oh, this is good.
Comfy?
Bloody
This one
lovely.
looks even better actually.
Absolutely lovely.
I like this pillow.
That's lovely, that.
Oh my god, I could buy my mum a pillow for Christmas. I've no idea what I'm getting my mum for Christmas.
What do you reckon to IKEA then, mate? Very good.
Is the stew ready yet? Does it look cooked yet?
No, I think it needs a little bit longer.
Oh.
Just give it a quick stir.
We'll just leave it. That looks... Wow, I wonder who's in that.
Aye.
Come on kids, let's go.
Looks so stiff.
Huh? It's
Looks
a heavy
stiff.
pan.
Chloe, have you seen the cheese grater anywhere?
No, but I do need this pan though.
Okay, these are pretty cool. Like, they've just stuck a picture in the bars. And this is probably the world's smallest toaster, I think.
Wait, hold on, I just need to put some cereal. Do you want nuts, cornflakes or Cheerios?
Cheerios. Got milk?
Yeah. Milk.
Oh, you forgot to get some milk, didn't you?
No, it's in there, it's just invisible milk. And then you want your, hold on, we're next to the kitchen, so we just need to try and find out everything.
Nice.
Enjoy!
Just gonna take a nap.
Nice.
Right. Just getting changed in the bedroom.
This place, honestly, I don't even think I don't know how far around we are. How long have we been walking? Not very long, it's just massive. We're still in the showroom.
I reckon we've been going for at least a good 48 hours around here. With a little sleep as well.
Yeah.
I'm actually surprised Chloe hasn't sort of stopped and started playing with all this. There's like a whale shark or a whale.
I think their mouths can open.
Yeah,
oh, there's
it.
That is so cute. I don't think we have toys and stuff in IKEA.
Oh, sorry about that.
As I was saying, before you rudely interrupted me, I don't think we have toys and stuff in IKEA in
Watch
the
out, there's a shark.
Stop it. Come on.
Ow. Chloe, stop monkeying around.
Okay, now we've come to this.
ADHD activated.
Anyway, we've now come to a Swedish restaurant. I'm not 100% sure why there is a Swedish restaurant, but do we try the Swedish
Maybe
restaurant?
because we're in IKEA and IKEA is Swedish.
Is it?
Yeah.
Stupid!
Well, why is there not a Swedish restaurant in the IKEAs in the UK?
There is.
No, there isn't.
There is.
No, there is
There is a
not.
restaurant in IKEA.
Yeah, not a Swedish restaurant.
There is.
Look, this is a full-on, like,
Yeah.
sit-down restaurant.
Yeah, but at home.
We just have a few, like, little tables where they sell meatballs. We don't have much more than that.
Do.
Nah. So these are the famous meatballs. I think here you can get a little bit more, but we've just seen this sign. 35 to 45 minutes waiting. It's absolutely packed in here. Now I'm sad. I really wanted some meatballs. Shall we queue and just see? What do you think? Oh no!
It's a long wait.
I think that this might be the only restaurant as well.
No, there's one at the start. Okay, well we decided
Really good.
to come back, and this food hall is massive.
And there's the biggest queue I've ever seen. These meatballs must be good.
We never had meatballs.
Yeah, but I mean, like, are they better here? I feel like as well, you can basically get from the shopping centre across and walk across to IKEA. So I think a lot of people that do the shopping end up in IKEA. But there's definitely a lot more to offer than what there is in the UK. Wow, that queue. I'll get the queue. What they have here as well, they don't have it in the UK. They have these little trolleys where you can put all your food on, which is so cute. And they definitely have a lot more options because they have like rice, they have chocolate logs. I'm excited. What are you gonna get? I think I'm gonna get meatballs, and then I'm definitely gonna get a drink and dessert. Look, they even do marinated salmon. All of these TVs are all like different foods. And I think on the right hand side, yeah, it's kind of like a little Christmas dinner. They do carrot cake, almond cake, they do with dime in it. They do loads of stuff. Look, a mini log cake. This indicates that we're going to be buying a lot of food, does it?
Yeah, 40 kilos of food.
We've been stood here for like half an hour. Now we've come round to getting what we want. I have no idea what we want, I just know I want meatballs. But they kind of got like a Christmas dinner style.
Want meatballs and some broccoli.
Yeah, meatballs, broccoli. They do like mashed potatoes, kind of like that. Swedish meatballs with mashed potato and broccoli. There you go. 20 pieces. Wow. Hi, can I have the meatballs with broccoli and mashed potato? 12. I don't think we'll be able to eat 12.
Anything else?
So thank you. Can I get a bit of extra broccoli? Need some back.
I hope this sauce is nice because they've lathered it all over.
Thank you very much. Well, that broccoli.
Thank you. Have a good Christmas. I think it doesn't look too bad.
That's my extra broccoli one. Keep your eyes off it, yeah? Keep them. What eat?
That's the bill. 630 for all that, for 2 refillable drinks. Meatball. They didn't charge shaker for extra gravy. Right, here we go. Get it in there. The meatballs are so good. They could do with being a bit hotter, but apart from that.
Can't really ball that.
Mashed potato. You can't complain, can you? I don't think there's anywhere that like where you can go shopping and somewhere like this and then have like a full meal that's actually decent. Like everyone obsesses over the meatballs. There's something about them. It's very good.
So that is the food bit done.
Yeah.
We're now going to go to the next bit.
Which is, I think it's just like where you pick the furniture, and I think that's what makes this place big, is because where it actually stocks all of like the furniture that you pick is actually massive. And you bet I demolished that whole chocolate log by myself, and it was chef's kiss. It was very good. It was very good.
This is just like the end bit where you all the pillows and.
Not the end bit.
It is near enough the end.
No,
I know you've got the bit at the end where you.
Yeah, where you have to collect all of the furniture, like all the flat pack furniture, and that warehouse in the UK is like really big, so. That warehouse. You weren't recording, but you were just recording the thing.
I know, I was looking at the pillows.
Yeah.
I was looking at the pillows. Sorry, yeah, carry on. Warehouse at the end.
The warehouse in the UK, the end where you get all the flat pack furniture, is really big, so I just think how big it's going to be here. So we have just realised now we've come to the end, which we probably should have known because every IKEA has it. When you come to the end, that's normally where the food is. So there is another Swedish bistro and then like loads of chocolates and stuff over there. But I don't think you can sit down and eat. So there must be an area where you can sit and eat.
Little area.
Oh, okay. There's a tiny little area over there. But yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here.
So this is a sneak peek of what's coming up in our next video. We hope that you've had an amazing Christmas and hope that you have an amazing New Year. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.